Hey everyone, if your YouTube videos are not ranking, if you are getting low views despite good content, you are probably not optimizing properly. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use the vidIQ optimize feature to improve your SEO score, rank higher, and get more views in 2026.
Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description.
So, first, what exactly is the vidIQ optimize feature? In the vidIQ dashboard, you can see over here the optimize feature appears. It is basically a built in SEO assistant that analyzes your title, checks your description, reviews your tags, and gives you an optimization score out of 100. You can see the title and thumbnail score appearing for every video, and it will also suggest better keywords. So instead of guessing what works, you get data back recommendations. So the first thing is to install the vidIQ extension. I will link my earlier video on how to install the extension. You can refer that to do the first step. Now, second thing is you can go to the vidIQ subscription and open your dashboard. Click on any video you want to optimize, right? You can see the scores for both title and thumbnail appearing over here. So these are the SEO scores, and for any video which you want to basically check, you can just click on it. Now, if I click on title, it will show basically what are the suggested titles. If the keyword is placed in the title, if it is placed at beginning, is it too long? And it will suggest other titles which are more optimized for your video, right? So put the main keyword in the first 40 characters, keep it under 60 characters. The second part is the description, right? This is the description of my video, and you can see the tags appearing over here with respective scores. So vidIQ checks if your keyword appears in the first two lines, related keywords are included, description length is sufficient. Write 2-3 keyword rich paragraphs before adding links, right? And optimize tags. So you can see the tags appear over here, and vidIQ is suggesting which tags to be added with high scores in addition to the ones you already added, right? So this is basically to help you with competitor tags, search volume, and this is the competition score. For your video, it will automatically suggest the recommended tags you have to add in your video. The last one, if you update anything, you will see the preview of it, right? So thumbnail also, if you click on thumbnail, you can see the feedback. Right now my thumbnail score is 84, and it is showing what are the pros, what are the good points in the same, and what are the ones where it is lacking. The image is too busy or chaotic, and the emails feel bit of low energy. But it is clear value proposition, sharp well lit face, good brightness level, and sharp and crisp image. So you can see what things you have to work upon when it comes to thumbnail, right? And after publishing, optimization doesn't stop, right? If impressions are high but views are low, improve thumbnail or title. Is the ranking dropping? Improve description and tags. Low CTR, adjust title wondering. Wait at least 48 hours before making major changes. And don't optimize randomly. Do this instead. Choose one primary keyword and build entire video around it, right? So what are some of the common mistakes you can do? Is stuffing too many tags, changing titles daily, and ignoring description. Optimization is strategic, not spam. If you found this helpful, comment optimize below and I will share more vidIQ tutorials. And if you want a full guide on earning from YouTube in 2026, check the link in the description for signing up on vidIQ Pro. This is YouTube with Saave, helping you grow smarter. See you in the next video.